Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, open the Upstox app and log in with your credentials. Next, verify your KYC and link your bank using net banking or UPI. Add funds using UPI or net banking to cover approximately Rupee 15,000 for a small position. Open the Markets tab and search the desired stock or option symbol by name. Click Orders, then Watch List to find your instrument and set quantity to 100 shares. Finally, confirm your available margin and daily limits before select the instrument and tap Buy or Sell to open the order ticket. Use limit, market, or SLM order types depending on your strategy. For intraday positions, choose MIS and check leverage and margin requirements carefully. Set stop loss at 0.5% and target at 1% for disciplined risk management in this example. Enter the order quantity, price, and review estimated margins and brokerage. Verify estimated margin and brokerage. Example: brokerage Rupee 20 per order for intraday before you confirm the trade. After your order executes, monitor the position in the Portfolio tab and watch real-time charts. Square off intraday positions by 1520 or use auto square off features provided by the platform. Use GTT orders to place conditional orders that persist until triggered for delivery trades. Adjust your stop loss or trailing stop as price moves to manage risk actively. Finally, review trade confirmations, check P&L, and withdraw profits through the linked bank when you complete settlements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.